go to Popeyes, I eat it all up. Go to the counter and order me a cup of Dr. Pepper. It's so great. Look at all this chicken all up on my plate. Give me some potatoes and some hot sauce. Mix it all together because you know I'm the boss of that chicken. Crank that chicken. Hot sauce at home and crank that chicken.
Chicken in the morning, chicken at night. Papa's chicken will fulfill my appetite.
Crank that chicken. Crank that chicken. Go to Popeyes and order me some chicken. Crank that chicken. Crank that chicken. Go to Popeyes and order me some chicken.
Now I'm hungry again. And you know I want some chicken. Thinking where to get some because ain't nothing in the kitchen. First thing on my mind, you know what it is? A butter biscuit with some chicken. Dine-in, drive-through, it really don't matter. I want the spicy 2-piece. Nah, give me the platter. It's the best chicken that you ever had. And if you don't believe me, you can ask my dad.
Crank that chicken. Crank that chicken.